Hello everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create. Today I'm going to share with you Graphic 45's latest release, which is Joy to the World. And I'm going to walk you through what comes in a bundle, and then I'm going to show you the individual pages so you can get an up-close look at the newest release from Graphic 45. So if you buy the collection bundle from us, in addition to getting the Graphic 45 elements, we also provide 4 yards of coordinating ribbon. And these are the colors we've chose for this collection, and a nice little baggie full of charms. And I'm going to show you what some of those look like. Now this is going to be based on availability, but you'll get the equivalent number of charms. But sometimes we run out of the first release of charms. But it's full of angels and some filigree, and everything goes just beautifully with this collection. So those are the charms that will come as part of the bundle if you buy from Scrap and Create. In addition, here's the standard bundle pieces, which is the ephemera cards from Graphic 45, the 8x8, the chipboards pieces, which are very pretty. I love working with the chipboard pieces. There are the sticker sheets, and there's 2 of those. It used to be on 1 large 12x12. Now it's 2 6x12s. Those are all of your stickers, and then you'll get your tags, and I've opened mine up, and pockets. Okay, and then there's the 12x12 collection pack and the patterns and solids. So all of that comes in the Scrap and Create bundle. So I've already opened my bundle because I'm getting ready to do a project for you guys. And so I've taken my sheets out so it'll make it a little bit easier to share with you. One of the things I noted when I first saw the collection, and I'll share with you now, is for the first time ever, Graphic 45 has created an image on the signature page that can actually be split in half without it looking like it's missing something. You're not cutting through the main image on the sheet. I've not seen that in a previous collection. I think it's new for this one. It was just an observation I made. So that's the signature page. And of course, I'll be featuring this on my cover. I really like this image. There's an ephemera that's similar, but it's a little bit smaller. But again, you can cut it in half, so you could easily do a 9x7 album with this. And here's the flip side. And I'm trying to figure out how to do something clever with these scrolls. I haven't figured it out yet, but I think I might cut through one and make it a tuck spot. So we'll see. I'm still thinking about it. By far my favorite in the collection. I just love all the colors and the primroses. They're very pretty. And then there's holly berry in the background. And that's a nice simple pattern. Cut-aparts. I always use my cut-aparts. I really like to trim off the ribbon pieces and use them throughout my design. I like that. I like these small square cut-aparts. They'll be easy to feature as design elements on my pages. So I'm really liking that. That's a pretty, it's a nice, simple, clean pattern. And as you can see, it goes beautifully with this paper. More angels, which are going to be lovely to fussy cut. I really like this. I definitely plan on fussy cutting and layering some of those wings. And then this is just a very traditional, beautiful piece, pattern here, the Merry Christmas. Easy to do a cut apart or a die cut right around the words. Naturally, you have to have a plaid. And then here's the bells, more of the bells. And I'll probably feature some of these as fussy cuts as well. Another cut apart sheet, which is very beautiful, and that reminds me of the cover. And here we've got some pine and some candles, another angel page. I really like this one too. And then some stripes. There's almost always a stripe in the collection. More bells and more blue. And then this is the cream cardstock that always comes as part of the pattern or the collection pack. And now I'm going to walk you through the patterns and solids. This is a beautiful pattern. It says Joy to the World inside the little circle here. And I really like it. I think it's quite elegant. And there's the back. Here's the second yellow sheet. It has holly leaves and holly berries on it, as well as some music. And then, of course, solid on the back. Christmas sentiments, glad tidings, Merry Christmas, and blue. Even though it's a traditional Christmas pack, the colors, you know, could really go for holiday in general. It doesn't just have to be Christmas. There's another Joy to the World. There's a green and a solid with the red. Again, the Merry Christmas, Glad Tidings. And then the last one, which is the red. So I'm really happy with the collection. Like I said, I opened it up and I'm doing my traditional shuffle through the papers, kind of get a feel for the images before I actually design my book. I do want to let you know, as a heads up, I'm going to do something different with this album. I traditionally do my albums in black. This is going to be a cream album. And I'll be using Michael's Recollections cream cardstock that comes in 50 packs. Now, the unfortunate thing is they don't offer the 12 by 12 in that cardstock. So I'll probably have to do 3 pieces to cover. But I really like the color of that cardstock, and it really plays well with Graphic 45 prints. And as far as I can tell, it's the closest ivory color or cream color to their actual pre-made tags, which I think I'm also going to feature in the album that I'm getting ready to make for you guys. So with that, I just wanted to share, and I'll end here on the cover sheet, share what it looked like. Again, you get the 12 by 12 collection pack, the patterns and solids. Here's a collection pack. We'll give you 4 yards of coordinating ribbon, assorted charms, tags and pockets, stickers, chipboard, an 8x8, and then lastly the ephemera cards that come in a pack like this. So all of that is part of our traditional bundle. And if you click on the more description, there'll be a link directly to this product in our shop. And I'm hoping to have something out for you guys in about 10 days. So stay tuned, and I will, as soon as I get something together, I'll get it published for you guys. I hope you're inspired by the collection. I know I am. I'm anxious to get started on this. So thanks for tuning in. This is Daphne saying goodbye for now. See you soon.